In this episode, here are some of the best smart locks you should consider buying if you will be purchasing one anytime soon.
Welcome to our channel, the only place to find the best products for buyers who want to save their time and stress of figuring out what to buy. Out of many products, we have tried our best to highlight both the merits and demerits of the products, and in the last, based on our observation, we have shown the best product that will not go worthless. What we consider for selecting a particular product are brand reputation, ease of use and flexibility, durability, price, as well as customer feedback. If you watch this video until its end, then it will be you who must feel that this video has contributed much on taking decision which product to buy, and ultimately this will lead you to pick the best one. Last but not the least, that we also want your hard-earned money to be used for the purchase of the best ranked and well-performed product.
August Wi-Fi 4th generation smart lock. Unlike many other smart locks, this device doesn't require a separate bridge to enable Wi-Fi connectivity. It offers an improved security feature by allowing the use of facial recognition or fingerprint from your smartphone as authentication. This device has a 45% smaller design than older locks of the same make, and an auto lock and unlock feature makes access less stressful than with keys. Set up an activity feed on your mobile device to know when the door is locked or unlocked through the Door Sense feature. Yale Assure Lock SL with IM1. This smart lock features a backlit keypad with the capacity to store up to 250 unique access codes. A water-resistant gasket protects the lock from damage in different weather conditions. With a 9-volt terminal present on the lock, dead batteries won't keep you locked out in an emergency. Voice control is enabled on this smart lock, which supports various iOS devices and Siri. There is an automatic relock feature on the device to ensure 100% protection at all times.
Halfway of our list, I really appreciate your patience with keenness to watch this video, and also expect that you will definitely watch this video until it ends. Check out the links in the video description to get other information on each product. watching this video. If you have recently bought products and got any experience during purchasing, then you are welcome to share that experience in our comment section and hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be the first to enjoy the latest videos in the future.